dismantled and lost it. But summer winds came with your voice so soft and the ocean moved. When I first saw you, I swear the ocean moved. You took my hand, I felt my heartbeat rising. I slowed you down, saying, don't go. The way I wanted you was so surprising.
Saw you, you were smiling, and I was too. You look beautiful, just like you always do. I was thinking that we could be best friends. I was hoping that this would never end. You were skeptical, but I was confident. 'Cause you were all I ever saw since day one. Oh, you were all I ever saw since day one. I remember when I thought
I used to dream of walks in the snow, a kiss underneath the mistletoe. I used to think that I wanted somebody on Christmas. I don't. Memories hang in holiday cheer, welcome me back every year. Why would I wanna be with someone else when I could be here? Now that I'm home and I'm getting a little bit older, I'm not quite ready for moments like these to be over. I don't mean to be selfish, but when I look around I can't help it. Maybe I don't wanna grow, 'cause I know I'd be missing too much. Guess I'm not.
Walked in darkness, my home was a night. Then you came into my life, showed me brilliant light. 'Cause you radiate, you fill my heart.
Lies is such a simple word, and us is much more than you heard. Two little letters come together and then loneliness is cured. Yeah, us is something like a dream. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And us is fun and fancy free. Oh yes indeed. Two little letters come together and makes you and me. I can't get enough, enough, enough. I can't get enough, enough, enough. I love us. Not just another fantasy. Us is as real as can be. Too little let us change forever, and we will touch the skies above the sea. Take me in your arms. I don't wanna miss a day without you. Let's stay young forever. There is nothing we can't do. And nothing can break us apart when we're together. Facing the sky, we know that we can fly on the wings of love. And we can climb on every mountain top. I never knew eternity was real till I met you. Since that day I live in a dream.